Where did you grow up and what was it like?
I grew up in Mayo, Florida, which is a small town about 80 miles from here, and I was one of 6 siblings. We worked whatever we had to do to make the crops grow. We grew peanuts and tobacco and cotton, and the hardest job I ever had was cotton. I did not like picking cotton.
Can you tell me about cooking on the farm?
Oh, cooking was much more fun. My mom would leave me a recipe at the house for me to use when I was cooking for a family of 8. And I learned to cook, and as a result, I fell in love with cooking, and I still like to cook today. So that was an unexpected blessing that I had.
Why did you want to leave the town of Mayo?
Mayo is a wonderful place to go as a child, but it has very few opportunities, and I wanted to explore what might be. So that was why I wanted to leave home and see what else was out there. Because we grew up as very poor people. We didn't have television or radios or anything, so I was anxious to see what else might be out there for me.
Miss Virginia, what do you do to stay active?
I stay active by serving on 5 different nonprofit boards, and I also have a group called 100 Women Who Care, which is not really a nonprofit, but we meet 4 times a year and support nonprofits in our community. And that becomes another job because there's so much paperwork behind the scenes that I have to take care of, and I don't have an assistant anymore, so I am the assistant now.
What charities are you currently trying to help?
I currently work with what I call my happy nonprofit, which is Choose Tallahassee. And that's a group that tells the good news about Tallahassee. So we encourage people from other areas to come to Tallahassee. But the other boards that I serve on is I work with Joseph House, which works with guys coming out of incarceration. I work with Good News Outreach. I work with Good Samaritan Network, all of whom work with that population. But one of my rewarding nonprofits is Tallahassee Memorial Foundation. I've been a trustee there for 30 years and thoroughly enjoy what we do at the hospital.
Why is charity work important to you?
Because I feel, but for the grace of God go I. And because I have been blessed with the means to help these nonprofits, it's very important for me to be a part of giving them a hand up so that they can become successful people in their community.
Miss Virginia, can you tell me about your family?
My current family consists of 2 wonderful daughters, 5 grandchildren, and 11 great-grands.
What advice do you have for kids my age?
Be aware of those around you. Be sensitive to the needs of other kids that may not be as blessed as you are, because some of the children who come to school may not even have a mom at home to help them with homework. So if we can be sensitive to helping those as children, then we become very productive adults as we grow up.
What is your favorite thing about cooking?
Getting to share it with friends and family. To me, cooking is one way of showing love. I just love it. I'm always trying new recipes to see which one I like best, and I often try it out on my friends who are willing to come and be my guinea pig.